Hey, what's going on, guys? It's BrainBean here again, back with my first video of 2019. I hope you guys had a great New Year's, and I'm looking forward to seeing where we can take this thing this year, grow the channel, continue to have great interaction and giveaways, and just really give back to you guys as we grow this thing as much as we can. But with that, I want to go ahead and get into this video. Now, as the title suggests, this is a 10 key switch compilation of sound tests, and it's going to be the linear edition, so all of these key switches are going to be linear. Now, whether you're in it for the clicks and the clacks and the ASMR factor, or you're just looking to buy a new mechanical keyboard, I hope this video will help you guys out a little bit. Now, down in the description below, I will list all of these keyboards in the order that you see them, and also have my full in-depth reviews of those keyboards located in there as well. So if you guys find that there is a particular sound that you like, or a keyboard that catches your eye, you can learn more about it there. But with that, let's go ahead and cut straight to the sound test. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see more sound test compilations like this. I know my 29 switch sound test compilation video has done really well, and I know a lot of you guys like this sort of thing. So I wanted to start breaking it up into different types and then eventually do a massive key switch compilation like that 29 switch one, maybe once I have about 50 different types or so. But let me know if you guys like to see that. I can do a tactile edition as well as a clicky edition and stuff like that. Also, you can let me know by hitting that like button as well. And of course, if you guys want to see more content from me, whether it's reviews or key switch compilations or a couple of builds that I have coming up, be sure to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss out on those videos as well. You can also follow me on Twitter at BrainBean Gaming to stay up to date with what's going on with the channel, as well as all the updates and exclusive access to the giveaways that I do as well. And I do have a couple of really good ones coming up for you early this year, so you guys want to make sure that you don't miss out on those as well. But with that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to having a great 2019 with you, and I will see you in the next one.